Hi, this is Grandmaster Max Dlugi with prophylactic thinking. Sometimes prophylactic thinking is so amazing and works so well that it actually wins on the spot. This is just such a case. In this position, White was on the move and was thinking about what is it that Black wants to play. And he noticed that really the only way for Black to unroll this position and create some chances is to bring in the knight to either this square or that square. Now, White could proceed an attack. For example, queen check, trade queens, and pin the rook is one idea, which is not bad. Doesn't win on the spot though, but not bad. There are other moves like bishop h6 and bishop g5 that come to mind. But those moves only come to mind if we're not thinking about what is it that Black wants. Black wants to move the knight. What if we stop the knight from moving? If we stop the knight from moving, does Black have anything else that they can move? And in fact, the answer is no. And so White found a move that stops the knight from moving. Can you find it? Take a look. Well, actually, you can pin the knight. If you pin the knight, it can't move. So White played bishop a3. Now Black resigned, could not see a single move they could play to keep the game going because White now has a threat. That pin just created a threat of queen checking the king here, and then the king moves out, rook going to f4 and checking. And of course, the knight can't move because White will take the queen, even with the queen at this point. So it'll be all over. So Black has no move. So Black plays, for example, queen f5 to try to like force White's queen to do something. White's queen will do something, but it'll check on the a, forcing the queen all the way back, and then getting rid of the defender, the king, who's protecting the queen, by checking the king with the rook. And of course, now White is winning. There really are no more moves. You can check for yourself. Take a look at this position if Black has any moves. So this is the strength of prophylactic thinking. If you find a move that stops all of your opponent's ideas and hopes, well, he will simply resign. So go for it. Good luck.